Hello, I am Jody Wolf, and you're watching Expoz, December 13, 2018, 11:17 p.m. And topic, I want to make a mention of these sealed indictments, and someone would wonder how quickly or how could so many have gotten on that list in a short time. 60 plus thousand sealed indictments. How is that possible that that many names would be on a list of people to be arrested? How's it possible? Well, let me give you some food for thought, and this may answer your question. Keep in mind, and I know a lot of you may not believe this, but those of you who do will know where I'm coming from right now. We believe that Trump is here by divine appointment. Trump was brought up for this day. He was placed as our president, and he is under divine protection. The wall, as you see today, he can take the funding at any minute he chooses. It's there. These indictments, a lot of them you're not hearing too much about, but the arrests have been in the thousands upon thousands of arrests already in other countries. And a lot of them are right here on these islands right here in the Caribbean. Private islands where people from here would go to there where they held the children. And you know where I'm coming from. But let me tell you this. I want to bring you up to date on one thing about the sealed indictments. How do you think so many sealed indictments has come about? Not possible for one man to do this in 2 years. So, go back to what I originally said. Trump is here by divine appointment. Don't you think that God had a laundry list for Donald Trump waiting? Jody Wolf Exposed.